Should we trust the news? The matter of truth. How do people learn about what's happening in the world around them? They often get this information by reading, watching, or listening to the news. There are many different news sources or places where news come from. Newspaper, TV news show, website, and social media platforms are some of the most popular news sources. With so many news sources to choose from, it can be hard to know which one is true. People have different point of view about which source can be trusted to report the truth. The point of view affects how they get their news every day. Know the fact. In 2018 study, 69% of American audience say they trust the news less now than they did 10 years ago. Should we trust the news? Some people believe the answer is always yes. Some believe the answer is always no. And some believe it depends on the source of the news. Before you form your opinion on this issue, it's important to know all the facts. The needed for new literacy. When people trust the news, they pay more attention in it and help them become more informed or educated. This was so important to the founding fathers that they make sure freedom of the press was included in the part of the U.S. Constitution called Bill of Rights. It's important to trust the news, but it's not always easy. Some sources that say they report the truth make up story, and others say opinion instead of fact. However, people can learn to spot the difference between the source and truthfully ones. The fact in 2018 study showed that only 1% of Americans trust all the news sources and only 6% don't trust any news source. Most Americans fall somewhere between the two points of view. Neurolatactory is the ability to tell if a news source can be trusted. When people learn the neurolatactory skill, they're more likely to trust the right news source. They can also help other people learn how to find truthful news source. Fake news. No story are supposed to be fed with fact, but sometimes people try to pretend it is new. The news story will make up to purport mislead people are called fake news. In some cases, fake news stories have some fact in them to make them seem truthful, but most of stories are lie. Some websites with truthful website if people don't have some websites have been created just to put fake news and they often look like truthful website. If people don't have new detective skills, they can have a hard time spotting fake news and they might share it by mistake. In 2016, people from Russia speak fake news on social media because they believe it could affect how people vote the US president or election. Other countries have been affected by fake news from Russia. Fake news is a major reason why people don't trust the news source. Some people don't believe it's safer to not trust any news than to trust the news story and then find out it's what a fake. It is really fake. Fake news is a big problem, and people around the world are working to fight it. However, some people claim fake news is more common than actually it is. It can make people even more confused about which source to trust. Some faithful people use the word fake news to describe the true news story that they don't like or that makes them look bad. The story aren't really fake news. People who believe we should trust the news agree that it's harmful for powerful people to do this because its many news sources can be trusted. A major study, another fact, a major of study fake news in the United States was done in 2016. The found that 84% of American audience believe they could spot a fake news story. Many people have spoken against use of fake news. Fake news to describe trustworthy news stories and thoughts that are actually doing a good job of reporting the truth. Sharing on social media. The internet is the major source of news for many people. Social media platforms allow people to share news quickly with a long audience. However, the news people share on social media isn't always true. More than half of all people who get their news from social media expect it to be inaccurate or incorrect. Many stories that are popular on social media are untrue or only partly true, but people often keep saying them because they get attention. They sometimes do it even if they know a story isn't true. Another fact, as of late 2018, 68% of audience in the United States say they use social media for news. Most of the people who get their news from social media do so because they like how easy it is. People at the center of major events such as storm or protest or an act of violence sometimes say their own report about the event on social media. It's easy for some people who don't dare to pretend that they are false information what happened. Taking the fact. Some people believe the internet makes it harder to trust the news, but others believe it makes it easier. People can use the internet to help them spot fake news and find the true story. There are many trusty websites that can use to check the facts and search for news shared on social media. The internet allows people to find facts easier and faster than before. People who write news stories, often called journalists, can use the fact to make the story actually great as possible. Know the fact when American audience were asked help them decide to choose a news store, more than 7% say that they were very important for the store to provide links to help them check the fact in the story online. Journalists often use the internet to check the fact and the news story. You can use the internet to check the fact too. Being basic. Journalists are people and people can't perfect. People they make mistakes in the news story, which sometimes make it hard for people to judge what they reporting. Also, journalists sometimes let their opinion and feeling affect how they report on an event or a person. Many people don't trust the news source that they believe are biased. Or biased is an unfair belief that one person or thing better than anyone other one. People often feel that the news story about public or president. In some case, they won't trust a news source that don't share their opinion about the government. Another fact, in 2018 study about news source and truth show, the bias is one of the main reasons why people don't trust the news. More than 14% of American audience say based on unfair reporting was a reason they didn't trust certain news source. President Donald Trump has said that he fears some news source writing unfair story about him. Many people agree with him, but others believe that the news sources are biased in his favor. A group of people believe the news isn't being reported fairly by certain journalists. a journalist's job. Some news sources have clear blades, but most case journalists don't let their feeling get their way or report the reporting. Most journalists study how to report the news fairly and actually in school, and they were trained to be truthful. Professional journalists have rules they supported to follow, and one of the main rules to say the truth and report it. If journalists do their job correctly, they keep their personal best out of the story and only report the fact. When people believe journalists and doing this, they're more likely to trust them. Know the fact. Americans are more likely to trust local news than national news. In 2018 study, more than 17% of Americans say that they trust local newspaper and TV report, but only 15% of them trust national or online news. Most journalists believe they have responsibility to inform the people about what's happening in the world and to report the truth about important people and events. They work hard to make sure people can trust them. Not an easy question. Should we trust the news? After learning the fact, it's clear this isn't way an easy question to answer. Some websites, social media users, and other sources shouldn't be trusted. They post fake news and have clear plays. Other news outlets, however, work hard to be truthful. This is why news literacy is important. When people know which news sources to choose, they're more likely to inform and act certain. They also more likely to use what they learn from the news for their own educated opinion about the world around them. Now the fact, in 2018, the New Literacy Project began working to teach New Literacy in the middle school and high school across the United States and around the world. Today, hundreds of thousands of students are learning New Literacy skills because of this project. Should we choose the news? Yes, some stories are called fake news or actually worthy. Journalists can use the internet to find facts to make their story as accurate as possible. People can use the internet to take the fact in news story and learn what source to trust. Journalists are trained to be fair, to be accurate, and do report the truth. Fake news is a big problem and makes it hard to know what source to choose. Fake news is spread quickly on social media because it gets a lot of attention. People can use social media to prevent it. They may be reporting from a major event that if they're not there, journalists can make mistakes up and sometimes campaign by that affect the reporting. There are some opinion people choose either truth or a news source or not trust one. It's important to treat each news story in rightly instead of deciding to trust or not trust all the news source.